Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to make stuffed potato balls at home. And the first step is to prepare the stuffing, and the stuffing that I used consisted of beef minced meat and veggies. And after drying the meat completely, like letting the water from the meat dry, I added 1 red onion, and also I added capsicum and green onions, but of course you can add even the colored bell peppers if you've got them at hand. Also I added crushed garlic and spices. For the spices I used beef masala and black pepper. We are going to use more spices later on in this recipe, you're going to see. And then I added cooking oil, give that a good mix, and then just cover it and let it cook on low flame until all the veggies are ready and until there is no more water in the minced meat. And like you can see, it's ready. Just set it aside, let it cool completely, and then now moving on to the other step. So here I have my boiled potatoes that I'm going to add the following spices that I've listed on the side. I used paprika, turmeric, I used oregano, tanajira, and lemon juice. And then I'm just going to add to my boiled potatoes, then squeeze out lemon juice from 1 lemon, then give that a good mash. And guys, if you do not have lemon at hand, you can always use vinegar. You can use a mwiko. I used a potato masher, but you can use a mwiko as well. It does the job, just to ensure that the potatoes are well mashed and that the spices come together. And of course, for the spices, do not limit yourself. Use whatever you like and however you would like your potatoes to be spicy. You can also add chili if you use chili. And after that, now go in with your clean hands. Make sure your hands are very clean and make the potatoes even softer. Just knead it like a dough. And you're going to need breadcrumbs, and if you do not have breadcrumbs, I have that recipe here on my channel, how to make breadcrumbs at home. And guys, in this step you're going to do a lot of food handling with your hands, so just make sure your hands are very clean. And the idea is to just take a small amount of the potatoes, just knead them flat like you see on the video, and then after it's flat enough, now add the stuffing at the middle, just like you normally would for samosas. And then now you're just going to roll it back to make a neat ball, just ensuring that all the stuffing is tucked into the mashed potatoes. And it's ready when it's like that. Also, you're going to need 1 egg. So after making the ball, dip the ball into the egg, just roll it to ensure that the ball is covered with the egg, because later you will see that you need the egg so that the breadcrumbs can stick on the balls. And then now put the ball on the breadcrumbs and cover the ball with breadcrumbs. And you're going to do this for all the other balls depending on the size that you'd like to make your balls. You can make them bigger than mine, you can make them even smaller, you can make the stuffing more than I did. And these are the balls that I got like 7 of them. And just put them in the fridge for 1 hour, just to make sure that it sets and that the breadcrumbs are fully stick on the balls. And then now it's time to deep fry. 2 hours later, just make sure that the oil is very hot, and you're going to deep fry these until they are golden brown and crunchy on the outside. If you do not use hot oil, it's not going to be crunchy, or even the potatoes can break while in there. And after golden brown, your stuffed potatoes are ready. So easy to make, like you've seen on this video. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly consider doing so. And let's cut this potato so we can see how it looks on the inside. You can see it's so nice. It's crunchy on the outside, and then we have the soft mashed potatoes, and then now we have the delicious stuffing that you're going to love. See you on my next one.